She's all ears, pal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see here, I picked up a Honda Civic, I think 1995 four-door Honda Civic. I paid $600 for it. I'm pretty sure I paid $700 too much. Now, come with me, we'll go through this car, try to get into the shop, work on it a bit, see what's wrong, see what it needs, fix it up, and maybe try to sell it for a profit or something like that. Who knows? So I'm not gonna lie, this is actually the first time I've seen this car in person. When I bought it off my friend, he called me up and said, "Hey, you want to buy my Honda?" I'm like, "Sure." And then he just delivered it to the shop. So yeah, this is it. I mean, it's been sitting since I think 2019. This thing is pretty rough. It's got, I don't know what that is. Definitely, I think it was sitting underneath a tree for a little bit. It's got some serious paint fade. Missed some trim. It does have 5-speed in it, so that's pretty good. Yeah, dent. I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that. And I got a hole in the hood. Don't know what that's for, but I'll find out. I don't even know what motor is in here. I haven't even opened up the hood. So I'm gonna try to open up the hood now to even see what I have. I don't know if it'll even open. I mean, that body line is pretty tight. So let's try to open it. Interior's got a funky smell to it. It smells like strawberries and sadness in here. But it's got 232,000 miles on it. CD player that looks like it's gonna slam me in the face if I gun it, because VTEC, yo. And let's pop the hood and see what we got. Oh, did it pop? Ooh. I hope there's not like a raccoon or something underneath here, or bees. Ooh, look at that intake. Yeah, tiny radiator. That's not factory, that's gotta be aftermarket. I wonder if actually this car was turboed at one time. That, I guess that would explain why there's a hole there. Maybe they just took the turbo off or something like that. I don't know. That's pretty. That intake is shot. All the plugs and wires seem to be intact. So I guess now the final test is, let's see if she'll start for me. You drove it here, so I'm pretty sure it will start. That will stay. Okay, we got the key. If not, I'll just grab a screwdriver because that's how I usually start these too. Ooh. Ooh. Nothing. It's like the old jumper box to it. This thing really does come in handy for a lot of revivals, jumps, you name it. Look how tiny that battery is. All right, here we go. Well, she runs. That's pretty good. pretty sure the battery is definitely shot. Quite the noisy intake. The alternator looks newish. That's a power VTEC right there. Alright, now I guess we just pull it into the shop. Oop, is it dying? Nah, it's fine, don't worry. Honda, he'll run forever. Yeah, let's bring it to the shop and see. I don't even know if this thing has oil. I should have checked that. I checked them inside. Yep, let's go. Alright, we're in the Honda Roddy now. Might be low on power steering fluid or something. What is that noise? It's like grinding noise. Oop, someone's coming. Oh, why is she bucking though? Oh my god, I got no brakes. Yeah, it goes right to the floor. E-brake doesn't even work. What did I get myself into? Handle doesn't even work. Oh my god, that's cheap sounding. Actually, oil's not too bad. Look at it. It smells a little burnt. Good enough. But it is to the full line, so that's a plus. This little tiny radiator. Are these factory or? I have no idea. I'm thinking, oh, would it go all the way up to here maybe? No? Huh. Oh well. How is it not cooling though? Check that. Ooh. Well, there's some in it, I think. The reserve tank is full. Maybe I'll get a little splash of water or something. I guess I'll open the trunk now. I don't even know what's in there. All right. Let's see what mysteries this trunk holds. Oop, popped. If there's a raccoon, I'm gonna let it attack you. Quad tires? That's a first. That's one side. This is the spare tire. Does that really go on this car? That thing's so tiny. This, the hood latch, maybe? What else? Carpet. Ooh. A little crispy in here. Oh my god. Need some rust. Why is it so rusty in here? What is this? Ooh, some tunes going. Myself a sub. Scrubby brush. Interior bit, something. And I think that's it. I mean, I guess I could start vacuuming it out. It's definitely gonna need it. I mean, look at all that. Ugh. All right, let's get the vacuum. Listen to all that. Let's start by getting all the junk out of here, like this old newspaper and whatever's in the back. I think this newspaper is from November 14th, 2019, so that's probably when this car's been sitting. Let's clean it out. Want some cooking trays? Do a pack of smokes, Newports, half-drank water bottle. Ooh, actually, that might be for the intake. A Bud Light. Ugh, don't fit back here. Ooh, 19mm socket. That might come in handy. Ew, I think it's peanut butter. Ugh. No, that's definitely yogurt. Ew. We got gold. It's probably worth more than my car, to be honest. And there's some Cheerios in there. You hungry? And a straw wrapper. All right, let's toss all this out. Well, I vacuumed it out and cleaned it out the best I could for now. So now, I'm gonna jump start it, bring it back outside, give it a nice power wash bath, maybe knock some of this mildew and whatever that yellow stuff is on it. So, see you outside. All right, bath time. Bath time. Actually came out pretty decent compared to what it was before. I mean, there's no more black gunk on it. It still needs a lot of work, but what it just was looks 100 times better. Bumpers hanging off. Still see all the paint faded, but I did make a list for it. Number 1, brakes. That pedal goes right to the floor, so that's important. Then you got rocker panel on the other side. That's missing. I don't know where it is. This little door plastic, didn't know what to call it. I need to find one of those. Door latch. This is broken. Window crank arm for the passenger side. That's broken and gone. Wipers. There's nothing left of that. The bumper sag on the back, they just saw. Zip tie it. Good enough for me. Battery. That's something also important too. Such a small battery, can't be that much. Hood, maybe? Or, I don't know, was it like a charge port or something like that? Maybe this car was turbocharged. Maybe the hood came off a turbocharged car. Maybe I can find someone that will trade me. So, if you have a Honda Civic, you want to turbo it, you want to trade hoods, it's already cut out for you. And I guess that's it for now. This is a new project I have. I want to see if I can take this $600 car, flip it for profit. Maybe I'll try to take that money, buy another car, flip that for more money. Just keep on going, see how far it goes. Sounds like a fun little game. So I'm going to end the video here, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, Subscribe if you want more cool Honda stuff. And I'll see you on the next one.